Hey there, future AI moguls. I'm Noor. I've been riding the AI wave to some pretty incredible places. I've been using AI to create and market free ebook guides. The results, well, they speak for themselves. Here are my earnings, here's my calls booked, and here's everything else. Today I'm going to show you how you can actually do the same. We're diving deep into the world of ebook marketing within the AI niche. We're going to be using ebooks to basically generate leads for your service, for your coaching calls, for your products, whatever you're selling. We're basically going to be using a value first approach in order to sell what you're selling. We're going to be using VoxScript to read and summarize multiple blogs, and from there we're going to create an outline. From the outline we're going to essentially create an ebook. Next we'll discuss various platforms for promoting your guide. One of my top strategies is actually LinkedIn. LinkedIn, you can do a massive amount of outreach and it's very targeted as well. It's not like your post and pray strategies. We're going to get strategic and targeted. I'm also going to show you how you can use Reddit and find the perfect subreddits to promote your ebook. For LinkedIn lead generation, or the LinkedIn approach, we're going to be using Galaxy. It's a powerful tool for LinkedIn outreach. I will guide you through the process of setting it up and launching a campaign. And of course for Reddit, we'll be finding relevant subreddits for promotion. Throughout this video, I'll be sharing my own experiences as well as insights. I'll show you the exact steps I took to promote my own guide, and then the challenges I faced. Also how I kind of overcame them as well. So yeah, the bad, the ugly, and the good. But most importantly, you'll see the potential of what we can do with this strategy. Very well. Today we're going to show you guys how you can use VoxScript to essentially summarize a YouTube video and create a free ebook guide which you can actually use to generate leads for your agency, for your client, for your coaching calls and whatnot. So we'll get right into how you can actually do this. So as you can see here, I've dropped a link into a specific guide on how to use ChatGPT to generate blogs, profitable blogs with AI. And in this tutorial, it goes over all the steps on how to actually do that. And what I want to do is create a 2000 word blog on how to make automated blogs with ChatGPT, the free ebook guide. And what it's doing here now is it's using VoxScript to essentially go through this video and each of the transcripts and essentially summarize it. And using that data, it's creating a free ebook guide. It has going through the keyword research aspect, content creation, content updates, and then the aspect in which you can actually monetize it through affiliate marketing. All right, awesome. So now I've created this blog. It's gone down here, and as you can see, it's pretty much complete. I even said, please add a call to action to promote my newsletter. Depending on what you want to promote, it could be an affiliate tool, it could be your newsletter, it could be your coaching calls and whatnot. You can actually use that to essentially add a call to action to your newsletter in this blog. Awesome. Now the thing is, I went over it and I thought it needs a bit more detail. So I said, please can you expand on this bit right here? And I just highlighted it. Can you provide actionable examples here? I would really suggest this because in this ebook you would need a lot of examples. I did that and it gave a lot of examples, as you can see. Now I wanted to go a bit further and basically, for example, the keyword research aspect, generate a list of keywords. I wanted to use that for my ebook, so I actually answered the question, generate the ebook, and it gave me all the examples I could use. Same for the blog post ideas. Right here, let me just show you. Where is it? So these are basically generate 10 blog post ideas where I can incorporate my affiliate link for a vegan protein powder. I really like this prompt because you can actually create these monetizable blogs using this prompt. So I would really suggest you do this as well. So that's an awesome tip right there, and I think that is going to provide a lot of value for a lot of people. So yeah, we basically just created a whole ebook using one YouTube video. It's pretty insane, guys. I think this is literally the future of ebooks, to be honest with you. Just taking content and then restructuring it, adding some extra information and whatnot. I wanted to go one step further and I said, can you add anything else to this ebook based on the YouTube video? And it was also able to add some extra stuff right here. So awesome. Now, obviously we want to turn this into an ebook. What I would suggest is using canva.com. Canva has a document editor which you can add all these different elements and whatnot to your ebook. I'm doing it right now and it's very fast. It only takes a few minutes to use it, so I would highly suggest using Canva. Awesome. So now once you've created your ebook, what you can do is you can actually just download it as a PDF. There we go. you can download this as a PDF and you can start promoting it, really. So let's get into the promotional aspect of actually, sorry, not the promotional, the aspect of actually being able to monetize this ebook. Awesome. So now let's get into the aspect of this ebook where we can actually promote it. Now, in order to promote this ebook, we have two strategies, two ways to do it. I think the best approach is going to be LinkedIn. I've done this kind of stuff with LinkedIn. The conversion rate is very, very spectacular because you are providing a free ebook to the people who you are connected with on LinkedIn. I would suggest you just connect with initially, if you don't have a massive kind of network. What I would suggest, I have 2,400 followers. What I would suggest is you use something called Galaxy to expand your network and connect with the right people in which you can actually promote this ebook. So in order to do this, let's get into it straight away. Firstly, you need to actually start a campaign in which you can promote this ebook. Before we do that, we need to target the right people. In order to target the right people, well, you need a target market. So we can actually use ChatGPT to create this target market. So let's do that straight away. Let's go on ChatGPT. You'll see what I've done right here is I've asked it to essentially create a list of ideal client profiles that I could reach out to on LinkedIn with keywords, which keywords I would be targeting, job titles and industries. This is a very good way to target specific individuals that you can use to basically promote your ebook and get the right amount of conversions. You can basically split test any of these as you go along. So I would suggest, reaching out to people in the US as well. So you kind of get this list of job titles, industries and keywords. So I would put this in a notepad and let's put it in this notepad right here. Awesome. So we have this right here. Now let's just do content manager. I think this is a very good one. Let's do that. What we can do now is we can actually start a campaign where we target these content managers in the industry of digital marketing agencies with the keywords content creation. I think those three are perfect. They work very well together. How do we start then? Okay, let's get started. Firstly, you need to actually scrape the data. So let's scrape the data of prospects right here. Now you need to add a list. I would create the name of the list based on who you're targeting. So content manager in the digital marketing industries in the keywords content creation, and also we're going to be targeting CEOs and whatnot. So CEOs. So I think that's about it. Awesome. Now press this and there we go. Now what we can do is we can import via LinkedIn search. Now what that means is basically you need to actually scrape this data. How do we scrape it? It's very, very simple. You're on LinkedIn search, you go on people, and what you do, you don't go on people, you go here and you have to search the job titles you're looking for. So I would search content manager right here. Boom, there we go. Awesome. So now we have the content manager. We want to go on all filters and you can get even deeper into the filters. So let's go into, as I said, I want to target the digital marketing agencies. This is kind of the industry. So service category will probably be what we're looking for. So that one there. Just write digital marketing. So that's, I think, perfect. You can also do, a few more consulting, whatnot, content strategy, content marketing. So that works as well. Now we have the keywords. So keywords, content creation. So this is where you can get very, very deep into what you're looking for. So let's just say the title is content creation in the obviously the keyword is in the title. So there we go. And we have a lot of people here that might be interested in this kind of this service. You can also write ChatGPT because a lot of guys who are in this category might also be using ChatGPT. I think they'll be very, very interested in this ebook. So what you can do is you can actually just save this search right here like that and go back on here, press import. Oops, sorry, don't press that. Press this, and then what you do is you just press create. I would change the name to make it more specific to what we just said, but it doesn't really matter too much. And you can also choose the amount of people you want to import, 1000. Press create. Oh no, you don't need to press create, you can just press confirm. And there we go. Awesome. Let's do it. Now what it's going to do is going to start scanning it. Please give it some time. It will take some time. It will take around, depends on how many contacts you have. We actually don't have a lot of people here, so this won't take too long. I would suggest that the results be at least 1,000 when you do this, so we can change the keywords up a bit. Let's just remove the ChatGPT and show the results again. There we go. We have all these people here. We have much more people, 92,000, and yeah, we'll get a lot more people from this. That's awesome. Now it's imported it. We need to actually do the next step, which is starting a campaign. So in order to start a campaign, easy peasy, press this button right here. And obviously we can choose between this or this. I would start with invitations because you can keep it more personalized, in my opinion. And obviously you can change the name. Outreach for free ebook, press next. And I will choose from my list. I will choose this one because I've literally just collected that data. And what you can do next is obviously add a note, and let's just make a quick personal connection note. Awesome. In order to actually, basically promote this ebook, you would need to upload it into a Google Drive folder like this. Right here. And then you can get a link straight away. So this won't take too long. Boom. Copy link. There we go. Awesome. So now we have this ebook right here. And we can just, this is very spammy, so I'll say, please make it more personal, less salesy. Because I really don't like this kind of connection request. It seems very, very, salesy. I don't know why there's hashtags here. Awesome. I like this one a lot more. Let's use this. Let's just add it to our Galaxy. That's all you need to do. Press confirm. And then you can just launch your campaign if you'd like. I don't need to do it, but we can definitely test it out and we can launch it. That's about it, guys. That's kind of how you use LinkedIn to basically promote your ebook. Awesome. Now, obviously, the most important aspect of this is that you have the call to action. My call to action is just the newsletter that I own here. They can just sign up if they're interested in the ebook. They can sign up to more information. You guys can also sign up. I have a lot of interesting information in this newsletter. I'm willing to share, the latest trends for making money with AI. So I would definitely sign up if I were you guys. Awesome. Now let's get into the next aspect of promoting our ebook. In order to generate leads, we can actually use something called Reddit surfing, which is basically something I call it Reddit surfing because it's a promotional method to get traffic from Reddit. I'm going to get right into that right now. So first we need to basically find relevant subreddits. In order to find these relevant subreddits, we can actually ask ChatGPT, please find me a relevant subreddit in which I can promote my ebook. So in order to do that, we can do that very simple. We can just ask ChatGPT right here, please find me a list of relevant subreddits to promote my ebook on how to use ChatGPT automatically create bots. And it will give me a list of ChatGPT, a list of subreddits we can use to promote our ebook. I think this one is a very good one, so let's use it. In fact, I'm just going to copy this and put it in my notes. Why not? Boom, there we go. So that is basically the subreddits that we're going to be using to promote our ebook. Awesome. Unfortunately, guys, my account is banned, but what we can do is I'm just going to show you how it kind of works to promote our ebook on Reddit. It's a very, very simple process. Go and create a post. You go here, you add the title of the subreddit. So let's ask ChatGPT to actually create the blog post as well. So let's create the engaging post with Reddit. So this is what I've kind of used to essentially promote my blog post on Reddit. I wrote down this prompt on ChatGPT. Help me write a valuable and engaging post for the subreddit r/blogging that subtly promotes my free ebook. How to make automated blogs with ChatGPT, the free ebook guide. Do not directly promote it. Say this is a completely free ebook guide. Do not promote anything at all. If they are interested in the ebook, they need to DM you directly. And I have added a call to action here so that they can DM me. This works very well for me. I've tried it out. If you want to kind of take it to the next level, I would go on upload.shop and actually promote the post. You can buy free Reddit. I think you can buy free Reddit upvotes, or at least you could before. You can buy 100 upvotes for $10. It's very, very good, and it lets you rank the post to number 1 on that specific subreddit. So once you've created the post, you can actually go here, buy some upvotes, and put your link in, and it will upvote at number 1, and you will get a lot of people DMing you. I've tried it out. It's very, very effective. Awesome. I think that's about it, guys. If you've kind of enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button and follow. I have a lot more information in the future, and I would like you to check it out. I do want to mention one more thing actually. With Reddit, I would suggest that you reach out to some moderators and potentially do collaboration with them. So if we go on some of these subreddits, you will see a section right here which might or might not, you can message the moderators right here, and you can just kind of form a network with them. So that's one step you can take to make sure that you are getting the most out of your publications.